Hello guys, welcome to my channel Pixel 8 Cloud. In this video we will see proper installation of Visual Studio Code or VS Code and how to set up compiler using mingw. So without wasting time, let's start. Open any browser and search Visual Studio Code or simply click the link in the description. Scroll down and in the first tab you will find install Visual Studio Code. Click, then it will ask for OS. In this video we will see only for Windows. Click and it automatically start. Go back to the first page, scroll down and in the third step you will find the link to the installer called mingw. Now go to download and wait until it's complete. Now first we will see how to install VS Code. Simply click the installer, accept the agreement, next. Now select the file path for installation, then next. Next, check both the options so that you can open VS Code from any file and folder. It will take 1 minute to install, so we can wait. After the installation will complete, we will open VS Code. Now in the left section you will see activity bar. In the bottom you will see terminal. First option is file explorer, second is search if you want to search any word, and third option is for extension. We will see it later on. Now you will see there is error because we haven't installed compiler yet, so we will now install compiler. Now run the installer, click next, select folder. We will again select our software folder. In the software folder, create a new folder using Ctrl Shift N and name it as msys. Then select this folder and next, then next, and it will install msys 264-bit for your computer. We will wait for its installation to complete. When it's done, click on finish. Now the terminal will open. I will zoom little bit. Now run the first command. Now type Y and yes, it will close. Now again open from the start menu. Now again run the same command. Now close this and again open. Now run the following command to install the mingw toolset. After it completes, open the folder where you install mingw. Open mingw64, then bin, copy the path. Now open environment variable from your start menu or setting. Now here you will see path, edit. Now here new and paste the path and OK. Then OK. Then press window R and type cmd to open command prompt and type this. Now you see the US successfully installed the compiler. Now you can run any C++ C program easily. Now we will talk About extensions. Open the VS Code. In the left side you will see an extension option. I will show you some useful extension for your VS Code. This is extension for C and C++. You can install directly, and in the search type code runner. Install this so that you will get an option here to run any program. Otherwise you have to run using F5. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye, see you in next video.